wanting to make a video about my gaming desk setup, but I only got to completely furnish this space until recently. My setup is not what you may call the ultimate setup, rather it is what works best for my budget and the space where it currently belongs to, which is our small bedroom. I will reveal the most expensive item on this setup at the end of this video, so if that interests you, then stick around. Let's start from the top where I have these glide wall lights from Govee. The lights are not really necessary, but it makes the art posters pop. I got these plexiglass wall art from V1 Tech during WeebCon, Texas. It is a bit of a splurge for wall art, but I carefully chose the ones that I absolutely like. Standing on each side of the desk is the Elgato key light ear. I use the lights when I record myself playing video games, and they're also advantageous to use during work meetings, especially that 99% of the time we are required to turn our cameras on. Some of my recorded gameplays are available on my channel, so if you're ready to see cringe, feel free to check them out. Next are these two desk monitors. One on the left is the LG 4K monitor that I've had for 3 years now, and the one on the right is the Asus ROG Swift that was also a hand-me-down, and I don't think they make this model anymore. I believe it came out about 5 years ago. When I play video games, I mainly use the right monitor, which is where the Nintendo Switch is hooked up to, while the left one stays open for gameplay reference or to listen to gaming lore analysis on YouTube. Both monitors are mounted using the Wally dual monitor stand from Amazon. I use the Sony a7S III as my camera, which is hooked up to the Elgato Camlink 4K capture card. The only reason why I went with this route is because I'd rather use the camera that I already own rather than let it collect dust. I use the Corsair K100 RGB keyboard along with a Corsair M65 mouse that's also a hand-me-down. I like to stick to one brand if at all possible so I can do the light syncing with the PC. My husband has always used the SteelSeries Arctis Pro headset since its release in 2018, and because it's a reliable product with amazing sound quality, I decided to stick with the same brand and got the wired Nova Pro. When I record my gameplays, I use the Elgato Wave 3 microphone. For the price, it is more than enough, plus with a pop filter on and a little audio tweaking on OBS, it gets the job done very well. To my right is undoubtedly my favorite piece in this setup. It is the custom PC that my husband built for me. Being a 29-year-old who's never owned a gaming PC before, this is definitely a justifiable splurge in my opinion. This probably took me the longest to decide, and it's such a surprise how expensive standing desks can be. This is the 71-inch Vivo standing desk from Amazon. I was eyeing some options from Autonomous, but they're crazy expensive and I could not justify it. Last but not the least is this gaming chair from Autonomous. This is the oldest item here on my setup as it's been around since late 2016, and I believe it was priced at $250 at the time. It's been used and abused mainly by my husband. It's still a great chair and all the manual adjustments still work. Now, as promised, I'm about to reveal the most expensive item on this setup, and that is this custom PC on a Lee Dynamic Evo white case. With all the parts included, it came out to be $4,109.91 without taxes. So there you have it, my first gaming desk setup. Let me know in the comment section down below how old you were when you first got your own gaming setup. I'm really curious. If you like this video and my other cringe gameplay videos, please consider subscribing. This has been Rice Mama, and I'll see you on the next one.